What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a little project, 2016 Mercedes S63 Coupe. We're gonna do a little customization to it. We're gonna install the GT style grille. It's been really popular. I've been installing them left and right, so I finally decided to make a video for you guys. But check out this beautiful black on black S63 Coupe. And this grille looks good, don't get me wrong, but that grille makes the car look completely different. It just makes the car look newer. But this is the next project. So let's remove the front bumper and replace the grille and take a final look what it looks like. Got the Mercedes in the shop so we could start working on it, and I'll jack up the front end and remove the bumper, and this is the grille we're gonna be installing. Check it out, look at this. Woo, that's gonna look so much better. This is a very clean grille. So I did a bunch of them already, and here's a few pictures, the ones that I did. Very popular right now. And if you guys seen the first video that I ever made, I was struggling and I couldn't find the right grille. I bought like 3 of them, and they wouldn't fit the S63, so I finally found a source who sells them and they fit the S63. So if you guys need one, reach out and I'll hook you guys up. So let's remove the bumper, install the new grille, and we'll take a look at the final product. Let's open the hood. We'll start from the top, removing all the bolts. That's it, just remove the bumper, and this is the only way to get to the grille. You gotta remove the bumper completely and some of the stuff up here. Gotta remove this and then finally get to the grille. So first thing, we're gonna remove the absorber. Okay, let's remove this grille now. Boom, and it's removed. Okay, we're ready to install it. So you lift up the bumper and carefully slide it underneath. Boom, boom, boom. And it's in. Oh man, this guy looks so nice. Such a big difference, it's crazy. Just installed the grille, and man, what a game changer. So much better, so much more aggressive. Wow, speechless. Let's install it in the car and we'll take a final look. Oh. finish. Wow, what a transformation. Crazy. Look how crazy it looks. So much better. And it has just enough chrome where it kind of blends in with the rest of the car, but it looks so aggressive. Man, I love it. Look how nice it came out. Customer gonna be very happy, and if you guys want a grill like that, you guys could get one from my website, LNCMOTORSPORT.com. Check it out if you need one. It takes about 4 weeks to get it, but it makes your car look completely different, so highly recommend. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoyed this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!